Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to discuss about latitude and departure, which is a part of survey engineering. And according to me, this is the one of the most easiest topic of survey engineering, and if someone dedicates 5 to 10 minutes to understand the concepts, then he can solve the answers very easily. So here we start now. So what do we mean by latitude and departure? We will understand with the help of this image. For example, we have taken a line AB of length L, which is making an angle theta with the north-south line. So the projection of this line on north-south axis is said to be as latitude, and projection of this line on east-west axis is said to be as departure. So we can write that. Projection of line AB on north-south axis is called as latitude, and projection of line AB on east west axis is called as departure. We can also write L as L on projection of north-south axis as L cos theta, and D as L sin theta. So now L becomes L equals to L cos theta and D equals to L sin theta. Points to be noted before proceeding forward is that the representation of latitude on north side is called positive latitude and on south side is called negative latitude. Similarly, the representation of departure on east side is called positive departure and on west side is called negative departure. So representation of latitude and departure in various quadrant. If the line is present in first quadrant, then nature of latitude and departure both are positive in nature. If the line is present in second quadrant, then departure is positive, whereas latitude becomes negative. In third quadrant, if the line is present in third quadrant, then both the axes will be negative. If the line is present in fourth quadrant, then the nature of latitude would be positive, whereas departure would be negative. It's just like the Cartesian system we have studied in our class 9 or 10th. Now it's plus comma minus. So let's move to the next page where we will solve a question. Some important points which we must keep in mind before solving the question is that for calculation of latitude and departure, fourth bearing of line is used. Representation of a line on latitude departure coordination system is done as L, D. In our Cartesian coordinate system, if we have to represent a line, for example, it's Cartesian coordination system, and we have to represent the coordinates of a point A, then we will represent it as x, y. But in this system, it's just the opposite. Let me show you. Here for example a line is present, then we will first, so L axis then D axis. It's just the opposite of the orthodox Cartesian system. Here in this system we are considering latitude as the primary line and departure as the secondary line. So according to that we are assigning the coordinates of the point. So friends, let's solve this problem. Here it's given that PQ is equal to 10 meter and bearing of line is south 60 degree east. So it's given to find the latitude and departure. We will solve it with two methods, by QCB and WCB. So latitude of the line formula is L cos theta, angle is 60 degree, so 10 into half, which becomes 5 meter, and departure of the line is L sin theta, which is 10 into sin 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2, which becomes 8.6 meters. But this 5 meter is not the final answer. We have to assign magnitude to it. As the line is present in the second quadrant, the nature of the latitude will become negative and that of the departure will remain positive. Again we are solving the same problem with the help of whole circle bearing. Here the latitude value will become L cos 120 degree, which is 5 meters minus 5 meters, and the value of departure will become L sin 120 degree, which value is 8.6 meters. So we can conclude that if we solve the same problem with the help of whole circle bearing, then the nature of the answer is coming in its own. Whereas if we solve the problem with the help of quadrilateral circle bearing, then we have to assign the nature to the answer differently. So it's recommended to solve the answer with the help of whole circle bearing. I hope it solves your problem.